अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ब्लड सप्लाई ऑफ द स्कैल्प की ब्लड सप्लाई। तो 5 आर्टरीज स्कैल्प को सप्लाई करती हैं। नंबर 1, दिस इज़ द सुप्राट्रोक्लियर आर्टरी। दिस इज़ द supratrochlear artery. Here it is nose on the lateral side, supratrochlear artery present and red sign is shown, and there is orbit of the eye and its superior part. This is called as supraorbital artery. Both are the terminal branches of the ophthalmic artery, and it is one of the branches of the internal carotid artery. Here on the this is ear, and this part is the temporal part. So superficial temporal artery, which is the branch of the external carotid artery, supply this part of the scalp. Here this is auricle around the ear and its posterior part. Now it's called as posterior auricular artery. Here it is the occipital region. Occipital artery provides the energy or nutrients to the occipital part of the bone. Here these are the 5 arterial supplies of the scalp. Now we will discuss the venous drainage of the scalp. Here it is supratrochlear vein. This is the nose on the lateral region. This is the supratrochlear vein. This is the orbit of the eye, and this is superior part. This is known as the supraorbital vein, and the supratrochlear vein both form the angular vein. These form the angles, and here it is the face. Angular vein change into the facial vein, and facial vein drain into the internal jugular vein. And one of the PET SEQ, this is the how cavernous sinus related with the facial vein. Here it is the facial vein. This is the deep facial vein. Facial vein drain into the deep facial vein. Deep facial vein, this is the pterygoid plexus, and this is the emissionary vein. Facial vein into the deep facial vein. Deep facial vein into the pterygoid plexus. These are the emissionary veins and drain into the cavernous sinus. Here this is the superior ophthalmic vein on the superior part, and inferior part, inferior ophthalmic vein drain into the cavernous sinus. How it's correlate with the facial vein with the this is the temporal region. This is called as, this part is called as superficial temporal vein. This is the maxillary vein. Both join and form the, this is the mandible. This is the mandible, and the posterior retromandibular vein. Retromandibular vein have 2 branches. One is the interior branch. This is the interior branch. This is the posterior branch. Interior branch communicate with the facial vein and drain into the internal jugular vein. Here this is the auricle, and the posterior auricular vein join with the posterior part of the retromandibular vein and drain into the subclavian vein, and subclavian vein then drain into the superior vena cava and drain into the heart.